Hello and welcome to this video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling this 1970s F-150 truck. So just going to take and clip these little tires, make them available. Alright, take this sprue and throw it out. There's those tires, okay? And then there's those pieces. Clipping away. Alright, so this part is done. Now, here's this part. Cut away that sprue. Very good. Another part available. Just clipping away all these things. Alright, that part is clipped away and good. And this part is good. Now let's go ahead and clean up some of these sprues. Alright, I'm going through all these little teeny pieces and just removing all the sprues. Piece after piece. Alright, the clipping away process is done. So next, let's get some glue here. There you go. And then let's get this glued together. These pieces. There you go. That's glued together nicely. Up next, let's glue the body of this truck to that other piece. Like that, just getting some glue in there. And then yeah, essentially just stick it together like that. And here's this piece. And that's simple enough. You just take some glue like that, put that there. So as you can see, it's coming together. Now there's this piece, so just get some glue like that. Put that there. Great. Now you can really see this truck is coming together. So why don't we go ahead and get this camper part glued together. So just putting a little dabs of glue here and there to get the camper piece on there. So let's put that on there just like that. I think that'll do. Now let's do the other side. Great. Now let's put this camper piece in the back. Just put some glue like that. Perhaps some glue like this. Alright, that's good. If you wish to make this model heavier, you could put something in there to weight it down, but that's up to you. Alright, so the camper portion of that is coming together well. Up next, let's put on these tires. Alright, so it's important to put the axle in the middle of the tire. There you go. And then let's put glue on the other side, of course. Alright, so I'm going to let those tires dry. Alright, so we got a few more pieces to get glued together. Just put some glue right there. And then put this piece like that. Just like what I did there. And then let's take some glue like this, put it along the edge there, and put it like that. And let's go ahead and put that piece like that. Very good. Next we have all these pieces. So first of all, let's go ahead and put a dab of glue like that. You'll see where this little piece goes. See if we can manage to hold it with the tweezers. Alright. Actually, that's the trailer hitch. So it actually should be the other way around, like that. So it actually can hitch onto something. There you go. A trailer hitch. Kind of a small detail under there. Up next, let's go ahead and put a dab of glue there, 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 and there. I'm pretty sure that's where they will go. We'll see. Let's put this thing here. Trying to put this on as well. Great. And now let's put some glue here and on the other side, of course. Last but not least, there's put some glue here and there. Done the glue, now we just need to put the last pieces on. Perhaps we can do tweezers for that. Quite detailed little things. Last piece. There you go. This camper 70s truck is complete, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.